Okay, we're almost back to the truck. Woo, woo. The truck. The plane, the plane. Nothing like a morning walk with friends, huh, Jerry? Yeah? Yeah, I know. Pom Pom and Shoo Shoo are your friends. Just don't leave you on the floor with them. I understand, yes. Oh, Shoo Shoo's looking in the cover. What's there? Where are they at, Shoo Shoo? The brave Pom Pom stands on the hill, looking for victims. Oh yeah, be kind. Yeah, I remember. Pom Pom needs some work on that kindness, doesn't she? She's kind of demanding. All right, folks. This is the end. Be kind to yourself, to others, and to the animals. And the earth. Oh, let's not forget the earth. Okay. Shadow knows. Goodbye.